Hello students, we will be discussing this question which states a small piece of sphere of radius r falls from rest in a viscous liquid. As a result, heat is produced due to viscous force. The rate of production of heat when the sphere attains a terminal velocity is proportional to. So as we know the relation P power equals to 6 pi neta r Vt dot Vt. So the relations is equal to Vt square. So from this we could understand Vt is directly proportional to R square. So power will be directly proportional to R to the power 5. So answer for this question is option 1, R to the power 5.